Luckiest Woman Alive. Ikinasal nitong linggo ang TV host comedian na si Kalad Karen sa kanyang fiancé na si Luke Wrightson sa North Yorkshire, England. Ibinida ni Kalad Karen, Jervy Liz Aba sa totoong buhay, ang mga larawan na kuha sa kasal. Aniya, ginanap ang pag-iisang dibdib nila ni Luke sa isang cliff sa Scarborough. Luke and I dreamed for a beautiful sunny day in this fantastic cliff-top wedding venue in England. It's supposed to have the best overlooking views in North Yorkshire. On our wedding day, ironically, the views were covered by a thick fog. It was almost zero visibility. What a 1 in a million chance. Kwento ng TV personality. Hindi naman naniniwala si Kalad Karen na minalas ang kanyang kasal. Not at all. But marrying the love of my life surrounded by our dearest friends and families, makes me feel the luckiest woman alive. And hey, who else can say they got married in the clouds? Pahayag niya.